Okay.
Wow. But it did like a 58.
Check out my official JacobViral merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there. You told me your name and what all's in here real quick, man.
Okay. My name is Dylan Sosinski. I got 3 DD-Z4 18s on 2 DD-M5s. I got 6 SF4Bs on the mids and highs. It's a 6-order built by JY Power and Hunter Martin.
Wow. Have you ever metered it?
In the high 50s, low 60s.
Okay.
I haven't played with it much. You know, I've just been demoing it.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Wow. But it did like a 58 music average.
That is crazy. I like the way this seat is. So tell me about this.
It's a curved seat with I put 4 fans in it for the amps, and I don't know, they're really.
So you're able to actually remove this panel?
Yeah. So this metal piece right here comes off completely, and I'm able to roll forward and then slip it out the doorway.
Wow. Oh, so you actually have your battery bank and your amps underneath?
Yeah, so here's the battery bank.
Okay.
There's 6 door amps across this. There's a DSP, and there's 2 M5s where I'm sitting.
Got it. Okay. Wow. Appreciate it, man. What was your name?
Dylan Sosinski.
Dylan. Thank you, Dylan.
All right, man.
Thanks,
nice
man.
to meet you.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you, too.
I'll give you a little demo once I get some charged up.
Yeah, man. Check out my official JacobViral merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.